Young girl, what is the problem? You have been shouting at the counter since. My boys were lying to you. DPO is not around. DPO is not around. You are saying that you saw my car outside. You saw my car outside. You must see me. By the way, how did you even know my car? Eh? I'm trying to have a quiet period. I'm thinking about some issues. You are insisting that you must see me. You must see me. Now that you have seen me, what is the problem? How can I help you? Before you shut down the whole police station. What's the meaning of this?
May God not allow them make them kill
Oga
you.
DPO. DPO is not my fault, oh. There's this boy that I've been looking for. He introduced me to one platform sometime last year. He said the platform will be paying 15% returns every month. I put in 1 million, money that my husband gave me to start a business, to open a shop, because I'm a tailor. He said I should use the money to open my tailoring shop. I put it in this platform that this boy referred me to. 3 months, the platform collapsed. The website closed down. I started giving my husband excuses and lies upon lies. Now, I sold our family land, 2 million, so that I will use the money to replace the one that I wasted before. This boy came back to me, he said there's a new platform, that I should forget that one, that all things are passed away, that all things have become new, that there's a new platform, that this one pays even higher, that it pays 20% a month. So I was just thinking,
You be mumu.
why don't I put the 2 million that I got from the sale of the land into this new one, 20%, so that I will now gather the money and use it to open my business, so that my husband will not be asking me question again. Oh. Officer, guess what?
Don't try that nonsense here. I should be guessing what? I should be guessing. You see me in uniform, you are asking a full-grown police officer like me to start guessing. Is this playing? Come on, go ahead and make your point.
After 4 months, this same platform, they collapsed again. Now I don't know how to face my husband. My husband has sent me packing. Now I'm living with my parents. So this boy, I've been looking for him since. Thank God, I just saw him at one beer parlor. He is drinking alcohol there. So give me 2 of your boys. Let us go and arrest this boy. Quick, officer, please. I don't have time to waste. His beer bottle will soon finish. So that he will not leave that place. Please give me some men to follow me, please.
Clap for yourself, Madam Ponzi, from one Ponzi to another. Madam, I have a few questions to ask you. Now, this boy that you say I should give you boys to go and arrest, when he was introducing you to these platforms, were you drunk?
Oh my God.
No, God forbid. I don't take alcohol, oh. I like Fanta. That's what I like to drink. And juice. Cold one, oh. I don't take alcohol, so I was not drunk.
Okay, you were not drunk. But did you have any mental problem, any problem with your brain, as at when he was telling you about these platforms?
Not be juju be that.
DPO, why are you insulting me now? Do I look like somebody that is crazy or that has mental problem? I'm okay now. I was okay when he told me about the platform now. I don't understand all these questions.
This is playing.
Hey, madam, don't teach me my job in my office. What I'm doing here is routine investigation so as to plan the arrest. Okay? So answer my questions as I'm asking you. As at when this guy was telling you about these platforms, were you under 18? You were not an adult at all as at that time.
See problem. So if you see somebody that is below 18 years old, you will not know. How about now, officer? I was not under 18. I was a full-grown adult when he was telling me about the platforms.
That means that this boy is a criminal. How can he put a gun to your head and ask you to invest by force? That's not done. I'll give you boys to go and arrest him. What kind of nonsense is that? You see a woman, you are harassing her, forcing her to invest. You brought out a weapon and forced her to invest. What this boy has done is a very, very criminal offense. I'll make sure that we arrest him and charge him to court. How can you force somebody to invest under duress? Hello? It is not done. It is not allowed. It is unconstitutional. And I will use my veto power as the divisional police officer in this jurisdiction to get this boy arrested and charged to court. Nonsense.
Officer, I don't understand what you are saying. Did I tell you that he used a gun to force me to invest? I don't understand. What are you saying? Are you even talking to me at all?
Oh, so you were not drunk when he told you about the platforms. You were very mentally okay. All your thinking faculties were doing very well. And you were not a minor. You were a full-grown adult when he told you about the platform. And you were not under any duress. You invested on your own will, out of your own free will and volition. You invested. Let me ask you, how long did this last investment he told you last? How many months? Because you said they pay per month.
February, March, April. Just 4 months, so they paid me for just 4 months.
Tell me the truth. Each of those 4 months that you were paid, were you sharing your returns with this guy that introduced you to the platform?
No, I wasn't sharing with him. Oh. He had already collected his referral bonus now for referring me. So I wasn't sharing anything with him. Oh.
Madam, the referral bonus that this guy got after referring you, it is none of your business. It is between him and the company he's promoting. He does not own the company. He's just a network marketer. When he brings prospects like you, they give him referral bonus. That is not what we are talking about. The truth of the matter is that when this platform was paying you and everything was rosy, you did not remember to send the guy money. Now, the moment that the platform shut down, you run to the police station, you want us to arrest him. The truth of the matter is that if this guy is a thief, madam, you are a crook. You people are working together. He is the upline, you are the downline. You are partners. You are on WhatsApp group every day calling him my leader, my leader. Now you want to arrest him. If I'm arresting the upline, the downline will not go scot-free either.
Che, is this not a mistake I have made now? This officer is just insulting me. Officer, I came to report somebody. You are now calling me names. The crook I want you to arrest is at a beer parlor opposite you here. Give me boys.
A criminal brought a nonsense proposal to you. It did not force you. You, by yourself, out of your own free will, you decided to invest into this platform. If that guy is a criminal, then you are an accomplice. Okay? I can put in front of you a 15-count charge right now and get you arrested, madam. Because while that guy is advertising that Ponzi scheme, you are supporting him by funding the Ponzi scheme, by investing into it. Both of you are guilty. Okay? So if you think that that person that referred you is guilty, you are also guilty because they did not force you. All these platforms, you have to do your own research, do your own due diligence, so that whatever happens, you will take responsibility. That is how it is done. And all these marketers, many of them, they put disclaimer. But you people don't look at the disclaimer. You prefer the ROI. Madam, leave that your upline alone. Let him enjoy his beer. Let him enjoy his beer very well. Hello? He did not force you to join the platform. You are greedy, madam. Your husband gave you 1 million to open a business. A business that will impact the economy of this country positively, because maybe you would have employed a person or two, helping to bring down the high level of unemployment in this country. You carried the money, you went to invest it on a website. After 3 months, the website collapsed. Now, you went to sell your family land. 2 million. You put it on another website, it collapsed again. And you are saying I should arrest your upline. Madam, it is you I will arrest.
Madam, you are under arrest.
Madam, you are a worse criminal than the guy that you say we should go and arrest you. You defrauded your husband of 1 million. Count 1. You went to sell a family land, a land that belongs to your entire family, and defrauded the full family. Count 2. Now, you are defrauding this country.
70 years old
Country,
man.
only me defrauding country. Officer, take it easy now.
Madam, oh yes, you defrauded the country. Yes, because if you had opened that tailor shop, you would have helped to boost the country's economy. You would have helped to alleviate unemployment, because that your tailor shop would have employed 2 jobless people and they will be working at your shop. You take them off the streets. But no, you went and put the money on one nonsense website. So on behalf of your husband, who you scammed of 1 million, and on behalf of your siblings, whose land you stole, I want to say that we all are officially ashamed of you. Now, before I change my mind, because my mind is telling me to let you go, before I change my mind and apprehend you, get up and get out of my office.
Okay, sir. I will start going now.
Hold on, madam. Before you go, I'm sorry about your marriage. You have decided to marry Ponzi. Now that your husband has sent you away, you are now officially married to Ponzi.
They have left you behind.
Before you go, describe the beer parlor where that guy is. Describe it to me.
Photo.
Okay, officer. You still want to go and arrest him?
Arrest what? What am I arresting? Let me go and meet him now so that he can buy me a bottle or 2.
You are a
I think I have time for that. I want to go and join him. You said he's drinking now. Describe the place for me now.